Hello and welcome to a TaxWare video tutorial. Today we will be going over depreciation integration. The TaxWare's depreciation program integrates with TaxWare WinTax program as well as the entity programs for Corp, S Corp, and Partnership. To have depreciation information flow in your tax return, you will have to follow what we like to call the ABCs of depreciation. A is for access to depreciation from the program you're trying to carry to. Here in the 1040 program, we can access the depreciation program from the Schedule C, Schedule E, Schedule F, as well as the inline inputs and forms and schedules. If this is the first time you've entered, you will need to select your client from the list or create a new client if they do not exist. This will bring us to the B of the ABCs, Basic Information. On the basic information screen of the depreciation program, you will need to select the appropriate program integration on the right-hand side. In this case, we will select this client to integrate with the individual tax system. We would then add our depreciation assets. Please see our video on the depreciation program for more information on how to input depreciation and the many options available. In each of the assets, you will need to be mindful of the C of our ABCs, carry codes. In order for an asset's information to be pulled to the 4562, you will need to specify which form or schedule it belongs to. Here we will see a list of available schedules we could carry to. Clicking the Tax Carry Integration from the Asset menu will allow you to change the carry code. In our case, we would like to carry this information to the spouse's second Schedule C, so we would put the number 2 into the spouse's Schedule C. When we are finished entering depreciation data, we will press OK until we leave the depreciation program. And we can see that our depreciation has carried over. Once more, as a reminder, the ABCs of depreciation carrying are A. Access from the depreciation program you want to carry to. B. On basic information, make sure to check integration checkbox for the program you are carrying to. C. Input carry codes for each asset. This concludes the depreciation integration tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing TaxWare.